There are many new challenges new Amazon sellers will face when they start their business. It will be good if they have a rough idea of what such challenges are so that they can prepare and brace themselves for possible problems. And here's the number 3 challenge that new Amazon sellers often run into, which is number 3 challenge: negotiating with suppliers. Now, new Amazon sellers are usually clueless about how to negotiate with suppliers, and this will put them at a great disadvantage because they can never really be sure if they are trading fairly or if the suppliers are taking advantage of their ignorance in this field to make more money off them. Negotiating with suppliers is an art, and this is something that comes with experience. For new sellers, I can only say this: you must stand firm when you negotiate with suppliers. Ask clearly what the suppliers mean, go through specific terms, and don't agree easily unless you're very sure that this is what you want. Suppliers will always urge you to buy products in bulk because this is what benefits them, but you have to hold your ground, right? So far, I found suppliers on 1688.com to be less pushy about this issue, so new sellers would probably feel more comfortable to deal with suppliers from this website, saying that one should always keep their guards up because you never know when you will meet that black sheep. However, I would like to reassure you that there's very few of such black sheep suppliers. Most suppliers want your business and they will not turn nasty against you unless you offend them unwittingly. So here's a recap of the top 3 challenges new Amazon sellers normally face. Challenge number 1, engaging trustworthy suppliers. Challenge number 2, sourcing appropriate products. And challenge number 3, negotiating with suppliers. So are you clear of the challenges a new Amazon sellers may meet? Meanwhile, for the intermediate and advanced sellers, don't worry, I'm not forgetting you. Stay tuned, like this video, and click subscribe if you want to know more about the different sets of challenges such Amazon sellers may meet. See you in the next video.